Hello my dear student of class 6. In previous class we have completed chapter 7 of geography. Today we will do question answer. Okay. Let's begin today's class without wasting more time. First question is multiple choice question, and here there are 4 options given. We have to choose only correct answer. First question is the position of India in the world in terms of area is. I have written here all the answers. First answer will be 7th position. Okay. इंडिया का 7th पोजीशन है एरिया के अकॉर्डिंग पूरे वर्ल्ड में. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, इंडिया इज ऑल्सो नोन एज आर्यभट्ट, भारत, हिंदुस्तान, ऑल ऑफ दीज. व्हाट विल बी करेक्ट आंसर? करेक्ट आंसर विल बी ऑल ऑफ दीज. इंडिया इज ऑल्सो नोन एज आर्यभट्ट, भारत एंड हिंदुस्तान ऑल्सो. थर्ड क्वेश्चन, the north-south extent of India is, what will be correct answer? 3,214 kilometer square. Now, question number 4. India is situated in the which part? Northeastern hemisphere. Okay. So, correct answer will be northeastern hemisphere. Question number 5. From which of the following state does the Tropic of Cancer passes? बहुत सारे स्टेट से होकर ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर पास करते हैं. तो यहाँ ऑप्शंस में राजस्थान, मिजोरम एंड झारखंड है. तो करेक्ट आंसर विल बी ऑल ऑफ दीज. ओके. इन सभी तीनों स्टेट से होकर ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर पास करते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग लॉन्गिट्यूड्स इज टेकन एज द स्टैंडर्ड मेरिडियन ऑफ इंडिया? करेक्ट आंसर विल बी 82 and half degree east. So answer also here. Now we will do second question, very short answer type question. What is the total area of India in square kilometer? What is the area of our country, India? Answer will be, India covers an area of about 32,87,267 square kilometer. Okay. Now next question is, what do you mean by Indian Peninsula? What do you mean by Indian Peninsula? Children, a peninsula is a piece of land that is surrounded by water on 3 sides, and our Indian Peninsula means southern part of our country, India, is also surrounded by water on 3 sides. है ना? In the north, the Great Himalayas, it is mountain, and the Indian Ocean in the south, the Bay of Bengal in the east, and the Arabian Sea in the west. So it is also called Indian Peninsula. That's why it is called Indian Peninsula. क्योंकि हमारा जो इंडिया का सदर्न पार्ट है, साउथ पार्ट है, उसका वह भी 3 साइड से ओशन से घिरा हुआ है ना. इसके साउथ में क्या है? इंडियन ओशियन है. वेस्ट में क्या है? अरेबियन सी. और इसके ईस्ट में क्या है? बे ऑफ बंगाल. नॉर्थ में तो हिमालय है ना, माउंटेन, लेकिन 3 ओर से ये ओशन से यानी कि वाटर से सराउंडेड है. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड इंडियन पेनिनसुला. अंडरस्टैंड? Children, second question is, what do you mean by Indian Peninsula? See, a peninsula is a piece of land that's surrounded by water on 3 sides. Indian southern part, peninsula is bound by the Indian Ocean in the south, the Bay of Bengal in the east, and the Arabian Sea in the west. That is the reason it is called Indian Peninsula. Third question is, name some states of India through which the Tropic of Cancer passes. Tropic of Cancer किस स्टेट से होकर पास करते हैं? Look at the board. The Tropic of Cancer passes through गुजरात, राजस्थान, मध्य प्रदेश, छत्तीसगढ़, झारखंड, वेस्ट बंगाल, त्रिपुरा and मिजोरम. Okay. Now question number 4 is, What separates India from श्रीलंका? श्रीलंका और इंडिया को सेपरेट कौन कर रहा है? कहाँ से? उस जगह का नाम क्या है? श्रीलंका इज सेपरेटेड फ्रॉम इंडिया बाय द पाक स्ट्रेट एंड गल्फ ऑफ मन्नार. ओके. एंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज what is the southernmost point in the Indian mainland? Indian mainland का सबसे लास्ट सदर्न पॉइंट कौन सा है? सबसे नीचे इंडिया का जो सबसे नीचे का सदर्न मोस्ट पार्ट है वो पॉइंट कौन सा है? कौन सा है? Question number 5 is what is the southernmost point on the Indian mainland? What is the answer? The southernmost point on the Indian mainland is Cape Comorin near Kanyakumari. Okay. Now open page number 267. State whether the following statements are true or false. See, India is the smallest country in the world in terms of area. Absolutely wrong. It is false sentence. Second question, the Tropic of Cancer passes through Nagaland. It is also false statement because here there is no any Nagaland. Okay, Nagaland नहीं है इसमें. Third question is Kavaratri is the capital of Daman and Diu. It is also false because Kavaratri is the capital of Lakshadweep Islands. Okay. Sikkim is the smallest state of India. It is also, it is true. It is true. Sikkim is the smallest state of India. It is absolutely true. ये सबसे छोटा state है. Okay. Now children, do all question answer number 1, 2 and 5 in your notebook and memorize it. Okay. I will check.